Counsel, a quick one. It took you close to 2 hours to get this done?
Yes, it was a long winding matter. But we are out of the woods for now. And we'll see how we soldier on.
How confident are you come 13th of May?
Well, there's a storm in the teacup. Somebody is trying to pretend that when you incarcerate Abner Dubois, will solve the IMF problems.
On Wednesday, you were very confident that the state may not have enough on this witness tampering, and also your client couldn't even have tampered with any witness. What might have changed for him, for the judge to have remanded him based on this plea?
The judge was doing what they call a balancing act. It's not on the strength of what the Attorney General has, but on the fact that you don't have to toy also with the liberty of the individual. So what the Attorney General wanted, the judge said, no, it's too long. So just use 7 days, and whatever you think is residual to whatever you've done, and then come before me. But you see, this undermines totally what they are touting in the press, that they've gotten all the evidence against them, and they should even come for plea bargaining. This is a lottery of a trial. That we should all look at it from the perspective of the razzmatazz and the theatrics. This is a very painful somersault for the Attorney General. You say, I want more time. A man has been arrested 20th of May. March, sorry. And he got bail on the 8th of April. So was the Yoko sleeping on the matter?
When you said the Attorney General wanted a long time, what was the duration he was looking for?
He was pleading for 14 days. So that they do, experiment with somebody's liberty. The guy said no. And the farthest you could have for the moment, is 7 days.
Is it the case that the surveillance and intelligence Dr. Aini mentioned on Wednesday indeed has some weight, reason why Mr. Dubois has been remanded?
What is the surveillance and the rest of it? If today a Dubois is stronger than Yoko, and a Dubois is stronger than the national security, then President Mahama is not safe. A man pitting his strength against the nation. You know, when they come and tell the court such cock and bull story, they believe that is the end of the matter. So we shouldn't diminish the power of Yoko by their own interest, and also national security. And they said, if there is something that a Dubois can do to the nation Ghana, then President Mahama hasn't gotten the right national security and the right to Yoko. It's unfortunate.
On Wednesday after Ghana Water Limited,
he brought it to our attention. Let's see what they bring. You know, I don't want to, eat a meal which is not cooked. Yeah, I thought we should wait. And then what they said in the press, we will never prosecute anybody unless we have all the evidence. You see, this cancels the initial position. We don't have the evidence, but we rush the man to court and come and plead the court for more time. That's a travesty of justice, playing with the liberty of the individual and vain experimentation.
Has your relationship with the Attorney General been damaged because of this case? He did say that since the beginning of this, for want of a better phrase, trial, you've not been picking his calls, among other things.
Well, our relationships have not diminished, but I'm careful. Let's have a phone conversation and somebody says that, I'm trying to, romance the Attorney General. There's a precedent. And now I've been around for some time. I don't want to talk to the Attorney General, although we are very good friends, lest somebody might even go and interpret it. And somebody might even go and leak a tape. Atta is hobnobbing with the Attorney General so that you have some advantages. That is why I'm very quiet about it. I've been around for a long time, and the Attorney General knows it. I'm a senior at the bar. I'm not cheap.
So you've not cut off?
I believe so. For now, I don't believe I should be discussing anything with the Attorney General. And if there is anything he wants us to do outside the trial, maybe he should find a better way of doing it, because I'm scared that the kind of propaganda that's in the public space, they can put any kind of spin or interpretation of any engagement they want to do. I'm very, very careful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.